Another story time, and my hair's in my face again. This what happens when you become emo. Anyway, this is a story on how Sugar Waffle saw JoJo right there. I don't know if you can see it. And exploded into cuteness while kicking a door. So there we go. So Sugar Waffle gets up one morning. She wakes up and she's like, "Hey, I'm Irish. I'm Ireland. I'm Ireland." She's Irish. I'm gonna go to Golden's house. I'm gonna teleport over there. You know, snap my fingers like Thanos. Thanos is Fortnite. Fortnite is. So she teleports over here. That was good. She teleports over here. Whatever. She comes over here. There we go. And she pops out. She opens the door, comes down to the bedroom. First thing she wants to see is little JoJo. Now you see Marley. He looks adorable. His eyes are as big as beetles and mixed juice with Uncle Buck. Give me the Carolina Reaper drink with peppers and sheep's clothing and taco. So she teleports over here. She sees Marley and she's like, "Oh my god! Oh my freaking lord! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna bang on the door." Moo! The cow's back. Moo! So then Marley gets up because she's banging over here. Next thing you know, she picks up this fan and yeets it out the window. And I'm over here downstairs and I'm like, "What are you doing to my fan, Sugar?" And she throws it. And she's like, "That is so freaking adorable! Woo! I'm gonna throw every doggle thing I can get my hands on! Woo!" So she throws my fan out the window, and she picks up the treadmill that Aiden flew off of to go see Linkin Park. She throws that and shatters the mirror. Next thing you know, she gets not 7 years of bad luck, but 2 hours. So that happens, and she takes my, what do I have? She takes my mom's chocolates and eats it over the roof. Because she's exploding with cuteness. The cuteness level is over 9 bajillion, bagillion, zillion, Uncle Buck bagillion. So that happens. Next thing you know, after that, Sugar Waffle gets a bottle of bottle of mayo chup. She gets a bottle of mayo chup. My hair's on my eyes again. She gets this, and she throws it at the floor. The bottle busts open, and then Marley has mayo chup all over herself, and he's sniffing it. Look, he's raising up his paw. "You crazy, Sugar, why?" So that happens, she throws it, and Marley's like, "Hey, rough. Why do I have rough all over my rough? And Sugar's like, "You're too adorable. I can't handle the cuteness anymore. Drizzlewitz, get in here." So then keep in mind, I'm still standing over there like a weirdo. She's standing there. Next thing you know, she grabs a box of honey buns and she dumps them all over the floor. She dumps that because the sweetness is over 10 million. Next thing you know, after that, she gets a tiger and throws it at the wall. The end was over. You thought it was over. Oh no. She's continuing, ladies and gentlemen. Next thing you know, she takes her tiger and she beats it on the door handle. Not the door, the handle. I missed like twice. And then she says, "Take a shower." Yeah. So then that happens. And then she eats on the bed. Next thing you know. Next thing you know, she starts jumping on the bed. I love cuteness. Hey Marley, you actually made this better. And then Marley barks. And then she takes the mayo chup and squeezes it all over his head. Squeeze, Marley. Have your hot dog there. Ah. Ah. And then, after all of that is done, she's overflowed with cuteness too much. Sugar Waffle gets a trash can because she feels sick. She goes, "What? What?" She throws up. Oh God, that would just smell horrible. She throws up in the trash can. Next thing you know, she puts this down and she grabs the fan again. Yeah. I love cuteness. Woo! I can't put this down now. Like crap. I screwed it up. Okay. So you know, she takes a pillow that's full like a loaf of bread and she throws it at Marley. Now Marley has a bottle of mayo chub and a wiener pillow. Wiener pillow. He has a wiener pillow and mayo chop. It's double for the price of nothing.